In the previous video, I showed you a basic structure of a HTML document. And in this video, I'll show you how you can add information to your HTML document. So first, let's add a title to our website. So what you do is you go to the head tag and you type in title and you close it, and let's call this my first blog site. Now what you're going to do is you're going to have to install an extension called live server. So what you do is go here and look for the live server extension and you install it. So after you're done installing it, let's go back to the HTML document, and here you're going to right click this and go to open with live server. This will open up the browser, and here you can see whatever you put inside the HTML document. I'm just going to put this side by side so you can see it better. Now let's add some information to our website. Now let's add a heading to our website. There are 6 types of heading which start from H1 all the way to H6. So I'm just going to add the first heading here, and let's call it my first blog post. Now as you can see, this thing gets updated automatically. Now let's add another head tag and call it H2. Let's type HTML is awesome. Now if I click save, this thing will get updated as well. Now I want to install another extension. It's called auto save. So go to the extensions tab and look for auto save. Now if you install this, once every time you change your tab, this will automatically save the HTML document. So let's go back to our HTML document. Now let's add some paragraphs to our website. So I'm simply gonna add some blind text from the internet. So you can go search for blind text, and you can go to this dummy text generator, and you can simply copy all this random text here. So let's copy some of this here, and now I'm gonna add a new tag called P, which is paragraph, and copy paste it here. Now this thing doesn't completely show up. Now if you click the Alt plus Z button, this will get automatically compressed inside. Now if I go back to my website, you can see that all the text has showed up. Now simply copy this paragraph and paste it after head tag, after the second head tag as well. Now if I change tabs, this thing automatically gets saved because of the auto save extension. Now if I want to add line breaks, like if I want to add a space in between this text and this text, you will have to add a new tag called the BR tag, which is the line break tag. If you simply just click space here, it's not gonna do anything to the website. So you'll have to add in the BR tag. Now this tag doesn't have a closing tag, so you just simply use one tag only. And as you can see, it's added a space in between the characters. You can add as many of these as you want, and this will add in space to your website. So there are a few other ways you can format your text. So let's say I want to make the text a little bit bolder. So this is a strong tag, strong text. So this will make the strong text bold. So let's say I want to add an italic text. So simply type this is an, and you'll add a em tag, italic text. So this will add an italic format to the text. Now let's say I want to underline the text. So what you're going to do is use the U tag. So this is an U tag underlined text. Now as you can see, this text has been underlined. So that's it for this video, and in the next video I'm going to show you how you can add images to your website so it doesn't look so boring.